Hello friends, so today in this video I'm gonna share how to autofill cells in Excel for timestamp, constants or any sequential number. So the formula behind this trick is the if consequences with logical expressions. So if this cell is anything else than this, I'm gonna recheck the cell which you wanted the time for if it is empty. So I'm putting if logical expression again. If h9 is empty, then generate function called now, which returns the date and time currently accordingly to the time zone, and this is going to be in the same cell, which is h9, and I'm closing the parenthesis. And if nothing works, this cell is going to be empty. Alright, so let's go and try if it is working out. Yes, it does work with the time and the date also. Apart from this, if you want to generate a sequential number, we have the same formula, but it's pretty much simpler than what we have done before. If this, oh not this, okay, this is anything else than this, then generate this plus 1. So currently it's nothing in there, so it just shows up that there is nothing in there. So as soon as I type in, it automatically generates the number, and as soon as I go down, I have the numbers. But for all these things to work, you have to make sure you go to the file spreadsheet settings and calculations, and the recalculation should be on change and every hour, and the maximum number of iterations should be exactly 100, and the threshold value should be 0.0001. Thank you for watching my video, and if you have any questions, comment below.